current will flow through the circuit if all the components are connected properly in the circuit and the circuit is closed through the key, then the current will flow. If here in between, if I keep this wire little break here, then the current will not flow, because it has to be a continuous flow of electrons. So that is not possible. Now all this diagram, we don't draw the diagram using the bulb and this way cell. What we use, we are using some symbols. See, this is the normal electric circuit. In this electric circuit, the resistance, the hurdles, what we say, obstacles, what we say, is denoted by this zigzag line. This is called as the resistance. And to measure the potential difference across the cell, we have something which is called as the voltmeter. Okay, the circle with arrow, or sometimes it is used directly V inside there, where the arrow is there, and there only we have a symbol V. So we denote like this, see, circle and then V, and then you have here say positive sign and this side. This is called as voltmeter. It is an instrument to measure the potential difference across two ends. And now children, here is something to measure the current. We should measure the current, we should measure the potential difference. So we'll come to know ना कि इतना potential difference है तो इसमें से इतना current pass होगा. So to measure the current, we have something which is called as the ammeter, denoted by circle and then inside that A. Okay, so plus and minus, this is called as ammeter. This that is used to measure the current. And obviously the conducting wire, simple plain line, the cell one bigger vertical line which is called as the positive terminal, and small vertical line which is called as the negative terminal. So all the component of the cell I had explained to you. This is a diagram of simple circuit. Now let us have some experiment. In front of you there are 4 diagrams. What is done here? Observe. Here, this is the glowing bulb. This is not glowing, this is not glowing, this is not glowing. You have to identify what is the problem, why the current is not flowing from first, second and the fourth diagram, but current is flowing through the third diagram. In the first diagram, can you observe here? The wire is broken. The wire is broken, that means the continuous flow of electrons are not possible. Now second case.
Question second.
Yes.
So the wire is broken.
Second में it is not touching the negative terminal. See, it is not touching over there. So वो टच नहीं हुआ तो पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस बराबर से अक्रॉस नहीं, नेगेटिव से इलेक्ट्रॉन्स आएंगे ही कहाँ से, वहाँ पे टच ही नहीं किया तो. So even that is not possible. In the third diagram, if you will observe, both the ends at एकदम exactly touch किया हुआ है. Okay, metal wire को proper the cell is, so the bulb will glow. The white is showing the bulb is glowing and emitting the light. Now in the fourth case, the wire, both the ends are properly touching, but in between the wires they have to keep the piece of rubber. Arey baap re. Now rubber is the non-conducting material, so the current will not flow through it. Correct? Now let us see this particular circuit. Now again observe properly. Here they have said the bulb is glowing. Here the bulb is glowing, but in B, C and D the bulb is not glowing. You have to identify the reason behind it. In the first, the positive and negative terminals are properly attached with the wire. So the bulb is glowing. In diagram B, what happened to this wire?
Teacher, the wire is broken.
Correct. The wire is broken, so current will not flow. In the third part is the positive terminal wire is broken, so current will not flow. और देखो इसने तो क्या किया, कनेक्शन करने में ही गलती कर दिया. What is done? Both the wires are connected to one same terminal. That means the potential is same only, positive, same potential. So current will flow, potential difference will be 0, current will not flow. You should have potential difference. So एक यहाँ पे और एक यहाँ पे होना चाहिए था, right? So this is also not possible. Now here both the wire is properly connected with both the terminals. Okay, though it is crossed, यहाँ से यहाँ पे क्रॉस किया है. If you observe, ये complete है. Okay, so this is connected here and this is connected here. यहाँ पे straight था, यहाँ पे connect vice versa किया, but then also the bulb will glow. Only the exchange of positive terminal and negative terminal took place. So current will flow. So in the exam you may be asked such diagrams and they will ask you to write down the reason behind it. Nowadays 10th standard most of the papers are having such application based question. So even in the 9th standard also we started introducing such question that you have to find out the reason behind it. Okay, now today we will learn the main basic thing is about the component of the entire electrical circuit and the uses of it. What actually, how it looks and how we symbolically write it down. So let us do. Now the first one, if you observe, you have electrical cell. This is the normal pencil cell which we have, correct? And then it is denoted by this, as you are aware from your standard 8 also. So what is the use of the cell? Why do we use cell? To apply a potential difference between the two ends. Now the cells are connected, 1, 2, 3 cells. So group of cell. So collection of the number of cell is called as the battery. And how we denote? एक plus sign, एक minus sign. Plus minus means vertical line bigger, smaller, bigger, smaller, bigger, smaller. Once you start with bigger na, you have to end with smaller. In case in the exam if you forgot and you draw this way, plus minus plus minus plus, दोनों भी ऐसे कर दिया और डायग्राम ड्रॉ किया ना, you will get 0. Why? Because both the terminals are positive, so current will not flow, so your circuit is wrong. So remember children, whenever you are drawing battery, you should start with positive, you should end with negative, right? Now the keys, we have the plug key and the tap key, both two types of keys are there, and that is denoted by one part. You just draw two open bracket and close bracket symbol connected with the wired symbol. Yeah. And what is the use of the key? ये तो main है जो control करता है. So to stop the flow of the current flowing to the circuit by disconnecting the two ends of the wire. Okay. So that was current. First diagram. This was the open circuit. Okay. यहाँ पे कुछ भी निशान नहीं है. You have here open bracket and close bracket. Open bracket and close bracket. So this is called as an open key. Now let us understand when we switch on. That means when the key is closed. What is that called? It is called as the close key. Close tap key or plug key. How do you see? You just have to put dot inside. Open circuit diagram is this way, and then you have to draw the dot in between. So that is the close. So to start the flow of the current in a circuit, this is used. right? Because what it does, it connects the two ends of the wire. And you know how the wire is on a simple straight line. सपोज एक वायर दूसरा वायर ऐसे एक जा रहा है, दूसरा ऐसे जा रहा है, हाँ वायर, तो ऐसे अगर दिखाना है देन वी यूज़ दिस वे. जस्ट अंडरस्टैंड दिस सिंबल. एक लाइन एक वायर को ऐसे ही दिखा तो सेकेंड वायर को ना वो उसके ऊपर से तो उसको ऐसे जंप मरवाओ एंड देन कंटिन्यू. सो दिस इज व्हाट इज द सिंबल यूज्ड टू शो द क्रॉसिंग ऑफ द वायर्स. ओके, एक्चुअली दे आर नॉट कनेक्टेड. कभी कभी ऐसा भी होता है कि एक ही वायर में से हम लोग यहाँ पे भी लेते जाते करंट और यहाँ पे भी जाता है, सो वो ऐसा ही होगा. बट व्हेन दे आर नॉट कनेक्टेड वी यूज दिस सिंबल. फॉलोड. नेक्स्ट वन, द बल्ब. So we have the bulb when it is not glowing and we have the bulb when it is glowing. This is the picture of it, but we don't draw it. We simply write down just like an M symbol. So for the glowing bulb, this is the symbol, and when the bulb is not glowing, this is the symbol. Why we draw the bulb? To check na whether the current has flowing to the circuit or not. If the current is flowing, the bulb will glow, right? And when the bulb is not glowing, that means the current is not flowing. Now each wire has got the resistance. एल्यूमिनियम का अपना रेजिस्टेंस होता है, आयरन का अपना रेजिस्टेंस होता है. एवरीवन इज हैविंग द रेजिस्टेंस. इट्स लाइक हर एक घर में झगड़ा होता है, किसी घर में ज़्यादा किसी के घर में कम, बट होता ही है. एंड दैट इज़ द ऑब्स्टेकल इन द पाथ ऑफ लव. सो दिस इज़ द रेजिस्टेंस विच इज़ denoted with the codes for a particular wire. When you will see the electric circuit ना, you will see this. कभी कभी कंप्यूटर के इंटरनल पार्ट्स कभी खोल के देखोगे तो ये सब दिखेगा. And that resistance we denote in this symbol. And what is the use of it? It controls the flow of electron. फास्ट भेजना है इलेक्ट्रॉन्स क्योंकि स्लो भेजना है. ऑब्स्टेकल ज़्यादा रखूँगा तो करंट फ्लो कम होगा, अगर ऑब्स्टेकल्स कम रखूँगा तो करंट फ्लो ज़्यादा होगा. So you can say that it is regulating the current. Okay, it controls the flow of current. Now this is the instrument where the wires are there wound on this cylindrical instrument, and up you have something is the connecting part. ठीक है, so this we call as a variable resistance. So what you do, you draw this symbol of resistance and then put a arrow over it. That is called as variable resistance. Variable resistance means you are able to change the resistance depend how much current you want ना, accordingly you can just, आपको इसको हिला के ये मूवमेंट स्लाइड करता है इसके ऊपर, so you just move it and according the resistance will change and the flow of current will also change accordingly. Thereafter we have something which is called as ammeter. Actually it looks like this. Symbolically we are writing in this manner, correct? And what is the use of ammeter? It is used to measure the current which is flowing through the circuit. And this is the voltmeter. Symbolically we denote in this manner, circle inside that V plus minus sign, and that is to measure the potential difference between the two ends of the circuit. So any circuit diagram will definitely have these two components, voltmeter and ammeter, because we wanted to know ना कितना potential difference हुआ, कितना उसमें से current आया. So normally in a circuit diagram, ammeter, voltmeter, then बल्ब पे दिखाएंगे, बल्ब ग्लो होता है कि नहीं ये दिखाते हैं. नॉर्मली वी हैव द रेजिस्टेंस ऑल्सो. देन वी हैव ऑलवेज हैव कीज़. और वायर तो होगी, चलो ओवरलैपिंग वायर्स, क्रॉसिंग वायर्स नहीं होगी, लेकिन ऐसा तो होगा ही, करेक्ट? सेल तो होगा ही, अगर बैटरी भी नहीं हुई तो सेल या बैटरी कोई भी एक चीज़ होगा. सो ऑल दिस सिम्बॉल्स आर यूज्ड इन दी डायग्राम.